Welcome to your first challenge to change the background of your slide. Now, before you start, make sure that you're experimenting in your draft slide. You'll know it's your draft slide because the title right here in the upper left-hand corner will say, My Draft Slide. Once you're sure that you're in the right place, you'll want to head up to the toolbar and you'll find the word background. If you hover over the word background, it will actually say change background. If you click on it, this box will appear. Now here's a little tip. You'll want to be able to see the changes that you're making to your background. So hover on the box, click and hold, and then drag the box to the side. That way, as you're making changes, you'll actually see what you're doing on your slide. The first thing you might want to experiment with is changing the color of your slide. You'll want to think about the reasons that you're changing the color of your slide. Remember that we're making a slide to introduce ourselves to our classmates and to really represent us. So when you're changing even your color, be thinking about how that color represents something about you. So, for example, when I head over from the word color horizontally to this rectangle and circle and triangle, and I push on the triangle, down will come a drop menu with all sorts of colors to choose from. You can choose between solid colors, or you can toggle over, click on gradient, and choose gradients of colors. Now, my favorite color is yellow. So I might want to choose for my background yellow so that everybody knows my favorite color. When I find a yellow that I like, I just click on the yellow and my slide changes. Now, wow, that is really, really bright. So I am going to try again. To be able to try again, I want to find the words reset to theme, head horizontally over from reset to theme to find this button, reset. Click on that button or rectangle, and you'll see that the slide is back to its original transparency. Now I can head back into color, click on the triangle. There's my drop-down menu. I also am a LACAMUS teacher, and one of our school colors is purple. So I might choose purple. That is a really great background color. But I want to show you one other option. So I'm going to reset this. The other option you have is to actually choose an image for your background. So you'll find the word image. You'll head horizontally over from the word image until you find this rectangle or button that says choose image. You click on that and this box will appear. You have several options to choose images. You can upload an image. You can use your camera. You can add a URL, maybe photos that are already on your computer. Here's one that I have of my class from last year when we were doing a classroom camp out. You might have images in your Google Drive, but today I'm going to share with you how to find an image by doing a Google image search. So you'll click on Google image search, and this bar right here will appear. And you'll see that in this bar, if I click in it, the cursor starts to blink. It's ready for me to type and do a search for an image that I want. So again, I want to think about images that would represent me or tell my classmates more about me. One thing I really love is soccer. So I'm going to type soccer field and enter. And now I have an assortment of images from Google showing a soccer field. If I want to see all of them, I use this sliding bar right here. I like the idea of having this nice bird's eye view of a soccer field as my background so that I can layer a lot on it. Now, did you see when I clicked on that, how it outlined in blue? And this blue bar also appeared. That's telling me that that is the image that I've chosen to insert as the background. Watch again, I'll choose this one. And now that's the image outlined in blue that I've chosen to insert. But I like this one. I like how it is really one solid color, bird's eye view. So I'm going to push insert. There it is. When I'm really satisfied with my background and I really love it, then I will want to push this yellow bar that says done. And there it is. I have a background for my slide. Have fun experimenting.